afternoon. My name is Andrew Reams and I'm a licensing manager at the University of Pittsburgh Innovation Institute. It is my privilege to present the inaugural Innovation Institute License of the Year Award to Dr. George Gittes, the Benjamin R. Fisher Chair and Professor of Pediatric Surgery and Director of the Richard King Mellon Foundation Institute for Pediatric Research at the Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh, and also to Genprex Incorporated. We have been excited about the potential for Dr. Gittes' pancreas research for many years and hopeful that the right commercialization partner would get excited about it too. Dr. Gittes' mice studies demonstrated that by delivering select genes to the pancreas via an adeno-associated virus vector, the genes will express proteins that transform alpha cells in the pancreas, which do not produce insulin, into functional insulin-producing beta cells. These cells are distinct enough from beta cells to avoid the attention of the immune system. Last July, Dr. Gittes was awarded a grant of $2.59 million from the National Institute of Health for his research project titled Alpha Cell Conversion to Beta Cells in Non-Human Primates, and will build upon his accumulating groundbreaking gene therapy work toward finding a cure for diabetes. A native of California, he began his career as surgical resident at the University of California, where he spent 2 years in the laboratory of William Rutter, a pioneer in the field of molecular biology, who cloned the insulin gene and created the first recombinant hepatitis B vaccine. Dr. Gittes' research has been continually funded by the NIH since 1999. Genprex, based in Austin, Texas, was founded in 2009 as an immunogene cancer therapy company. The company raised $40 million in capital last year in preparation for 2 cancer clinical trials that it expects to begin this year. The company recognized in Dr. Gittes' research the opportunity to expand its gene therapy platform to diabetes. We are excited to follow the progress of Genprex with Dr. Gittes' technology. Once again, I am pleased to present the inaugural Innovation Institute License of the Year to Dr. George Gittes and Genprex.
Hello, I'm Rodney Varner, President and Chief Executive Officer of Genprex. On behalf of Genprex, we are honored that our license agreement with the University of Pittsburgh has been selected as License of the Year. I would like to thank the University of Pittsburgh Innovation Institute for acknowledging the breakthrough research being conducted by Dr. George Gittes and his team at the Rangos Research Center at UPMC Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh, where they are working to bring new therapeutic options and perhaps even a cure to the millions of patients suffering with diabetes. We'd like to express our appreciation to the Institute for selecting Genprex's license with the University of Pittsburgh as the License of the Year. This is an honor, particularly when you consider the amount of incredible research coming out of this distinguished university and research center. I would also like to thank Dr. Andrew Reams and his team at the University of Pittsburgh Innovation Institute for their assistance in negotiating this license and the continuing work that they do to support this effort. At Genprex, we are pushing the boundaries to bring new and innovative therapies to patients in need, and nowhere is that need greater than with the patients living with type 1 and type 2 diabetes, a disease that affects approximately 10% of the U.S. population, or more than 34 million people in the United States. We remain excited about our collaboration with Dr. Gittes, the Rangos Research Center, and the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, as we believe this gene therapy holds the promise to not only become a new treatment option for millions of diabetic patients who need insulin replacement therapy, but it also holds the potential to provide long-term effectiveness or may even be a cure for diabetic patients. Thank you again for recognizing our license agreement with this award and for putting a spotlight on this very important work in gene therapy.